Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you how you can track scroll event in your website. I have created another video where I showed how you can install create and install both Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics account on your WordPress. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create custom events and also how you can send this data to Google Analytics basically. So at first, let's go to Google Tag Manager, tagmanager.google.com. Now let's go to Google Analytics also to check the if the um, our implementation is working fine or not. And finally, let's go to our website dashboard. So I am using WordPress for this regards. If you have installed successfully in your website, no matter what, Shopify, WordPress, or any other platform, it will not be a problem. So let's load this and go to here. Now we can go to our tag manager account and also log into our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so I have created a lot many videos about tag manager. So to send data for scroll event, we have to create variables. So let's go to variables and uh, let's go to configure and go to the scroll it and find scrolling. So from scrolling, we have to um, just turn on all these functions to do this. So now we have done the built-in variables, and now let's go to trigger and create a trigger for scroll event and click here, then find scroll depth. Now if we want to load this on all pages, then remain this all pages. If not, then some pages. So we want to do this for all pages. Now um, horizontal scroll depth or vertical and horizontal. So here you can see if we want to do this like this way. So this is horizontal, then vertical, sorry. Then if we want to do this scroll type, sorry, if let's say we visited this much or 50% of our website, then we have to select this and give a percentage. So we want to, let's say we want to track 50% website scroller. So if a person visit a website and scroll 50% of our page like this much, then we will track them. That's why we have to write the percentage of our website. Now let's write 50. That means if we want to track 50%, then we will do this. We can do much more, so just like 20%. Then if we want also 50%, then give a comma, then type write 50. So we just want to track 50 just now and click save, and we have to name this scroll depth 50% tracking. This is our trigger. So we have done our triggering. Now let's go to text and click new, and we have to send this data to Google Tag Manager, sorry, Google Analytics. For that, let's click Google Analytics and Google Analytics GA4 event. So sorry, click here. Yes, Google Analytics for an event. And so we have to put our measurement ID here. So let's go here and go to admin panel. This is a real life project, if you can think of it, because we are doing a real life problem solving. So let's stay with us and go to setup assistant, then go here, manage data streams, web. Now click here, and this is our measurement ID. Copy it and paste it here. Now our event name. So what is our event name? Let's write scroll underscore 50%. That means if anyone scroll 50%, then this event will fire and the name will be this. Now there isn't any other parameter, so we don't need to do that. And now click triggering and select the trigger we just created. Yes, we are done, and we have to name this. So Google and write scroll 50% event. Okay, save. We're done. Just submit this. Scroll event setup. Publish. Now we have to preview. Okay. Before preview, we need to go to the data stream on Google Analytics to see if it is working or not. Okay. Now click preview and click connect. So our preview window just loaded. Let's find it here and here. Let's scroll this 50%. We have scrolled 50%. So here you can see the scroll depth just fired, and text also fired. Scroll 50% event. And let's visit here. We can see that scroll 50% event just fired. So that's how you can track scroll event. Thank you very much to listen to this much. To watch this type of tutorial, please subscribe. Thank you very much.